Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look kind of rough right now, but I'm filming a makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm featuring the Tarte, not Tarte, what the heck, the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I know that this palette is very popular to a lot of my viewers, and I'm super excited to be filming this video for you guys. I filmed one makeup tutorial before, and I'm trying to add more of them to my channel, and I do love playing around with makeup, so I decided to film another makeup tutorial for you guys. If you do like these makeup tutorials, give this video a big thumbs up because I know that I like filming them for you guys, so I hope you guys like them. So yeah, let's get started. I already did my foundation, concealer, and powder because I've already done this on camera before and I didn't really want to take a lot of time to show you guys. If you guys do want an in-depth foundation routine, I will make one, but for now I just wanted to get that over with so we can move on to the actual part that I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, let's move on to the palette. So I'm gonna take the palette, and I've already used this before, so there's a couple colors that I've hit pan on, and no, there's actually just one, but these are the colors, and there's a couple indentations in some of them, but they're super pretty colors and I love them so much, and I really do love this palette. So let's get started. Start out by taking a blending brush for the crease, and let me find it first. Right here. Okay, it's from Ulta. I just use these basic blending brushes, nothing fancy. I'm still trying to expand my makeup collection, so that's why I still don't have many products, but I do have a good amount of products, just not as much as I want. So yeah, I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna try to find something different to do this time, but I'm gonna I'm gonna start off with Georgia, which is this little light pink color right here. And I'm gonna add that to my crease. There you go. I have that under my mouth, down here, and then up here. I really like that color for like a starting base. And then I'm gonna take Candied Peach, which is just like darker pink right here in the middle. Okay, and I'm gonna add that like on top of this pink just to make it a little bit more vibrant. That's that. So then I want to add like a pretty like shimmery color to my lid, but I also want to add like a little bit more color to my crease. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by taking Bellini, which is this really pretty like shimmery pinky color, like right here, and I'm gonna take this like this flat brush. It's like not very fluffy, I guess you could say, and I'm gonna put it in that color, and I'm gonna pack it on the lid. Okay, now I don't really like how this is like so simple, so what I'm gonna do is add like a really bright and ooh, no. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this brush, and I'm gonna add Puree to the crease right here. Add Puree to like the outer part of the crease. And then I'm gonna take Summer Yum. Sorry. Take Summer Yum, which is the color right next to it, and it's a more of like a reddish color. Take that color and put it on top of that. I think that looks good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just peachy to my, like, the inner part of my lid, so like it can add a little bit more vibrance to the Milani color that I put on my lid to start with. So this is just peachy, and it's such a pretty color. All right. I'm gonna take Charmed, I'm sure, and it's this really big matte brownish color. That's that. Now, really, that's all that I'm gonna put on my lid and my lower part. So I'm gonna take White Peach, which is this really white color, and I'm gonna take that flat top brush again, and first put that in my inner corner. Yeah, so there's that. So that's all I'm gonna do with the palette. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna do my brows. And this is a pretty basic thing that I do, a girl. I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Comb out. And I know a lot of the girls like dip brow and pomade, but I personally like this. So then it's got the triangular end that has like all of the stuff. Just did my brows. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take my Too Faced stretch marker. You're So Too Faced black liquid eyeliner. Okay, and I'm gonna do like a wing. Okay, so I just added a wing to my eyes to make them look kind of cute. I don't ever do wings, but it's kind of new to me, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I use this in my other makeup tutorial as well, and it's a super cute, love this mascara. Cute packaging, everything. Okay, now to the face. Yay! Okay, I'm so weird. I'm gonna take that big face brush that I used. I haven't showed you this actually. I use my powder for this, but I'm gonna take this big face brush from Ulta Beauty, and I'm gonna start out by taking the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer, and bronze my face. I'm gonna take the Tarte, my face itches so bad. Okay, I'm gonna take the Tarte Partayyyy Amazon and Clay 12 Hour Blush. And I love their blushes, they're such a good color. Use my mouth. And that's the color, it's super pretty, I love it, it goes perfect with this eye color. And I'm just gonna rub that on my cheeks. Very pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna do highlighter because highlighter is my favorite part. I use two different highlighters on top of each other because I feel if I don't do that, then that's weird. Okay, the first one I'm gonna take is this Estee Lauder highlighter, and it is in the Bronze Goddess color. And I don't really like this color at all. That pigment is literally wearing down. So I'm gonna take this Candlelight one from Skin by Dimitri James, and Lord help me, this is such a pretty highlighter. Gotta get the nose. Okay, for lips now, because I've done all that, I'm going to take the what brand is this? I don't know. What? Oh, Milani. I'm gonna take this Milani lip liner. I don't know what color it's in. It's in all natural. And I'm gonna line my lips. Then I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors lip color. This is a liquid lipstick and it is in Lazy Daisy. And I love this liquid lipstick. And yeah. Ba-boom. So that was my makeup tutorial. It was really long and I'm sorry, but you know, makeup is long and it takes a long time to show you guys really good makeup tutorials. My legs are hurting so bad. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Whoa, I got makeup on my hand. And also subscribe down below if you want to see more videos and you want to see more makeup tutorials. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.